Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exclusive tips on photographing those soles to perfection. Whether you want to spice up your FeetFinder profile or want to up your photography game, these tips are going to be golden. All right, let's get to the ground level of photography, literally. Capturing the beauty of the soles is more than just taking random pictures. It's about mastering the art of perspective and light. The best shots usually come from positioning the camera at the back of the sole or from a slightly raised angle to embrace the natural arch and lines. This perspective highlights the unique details that makes soles intriguing and visually appealing. As for lighting, while natural sunlight is your best friend for those vivid, lifelike photos, a softbox is your go-to tool for controlling light and shadow indoors, ensuring your images are flatteringly illuminated without harsh contrast. With the right setup, each picture can tell a story, turning a simple sole into a masterpiece of textures and tones. Next up, setting the stage. Backgrounds and props play a huge role in making your soles stand out. Think about textured cloth or themed props that complement the aesthetic of your feet. This adds depth to your photo and makes them really pop. And always make sure your feet are well groomed before your shoot. We're talking exfoliation, moisturization, the works. Ready to level up? Let's dive into some advanced techniques. You can capture stunning detail using your standard or zoom lens. Experiment with different apertures to see how depth of field can transform your images. A shallower depth can blur out the background, putting focus squarely on the intricacies of the soles or the fine details of your nail art. It's all about framing and focus to make those soles stand out. Showcasing your soles in the soles feet pics category can attract a ton of attention. Once you register and get verified on FeetFinder, you're free to upload those stunning sole shots. There's no limit to the number of images you can upload, so let your creativity flow. Whether it's candid shots or styled with heels, show the world the beauty of your soles. There you have it, folks. From choosing the right angles to using the best props, these tips should help you capture the perfect sole photos. Remember, it's all about showcasing your unique style and creativity. Head over to FeetFinder to start uploading.